Virgin Media's self-install kit, also known as QuickStart, is the fastest and easiest way to set up our services. To be eligible for a self-install kit, your home needs to have had Virgin Media services before. If you're not sure if this is the case, there's an easy way to find out. Take a look around your home for a Virgin Media wall socket. They're usually near the TV, but it could be hiding somewhere else. It might look like this, or this. It could even look like this, or this. It might not even say Virgin Media on it. It could say NTL or Telewest. If you have any of these, you're all set to order a QuickStart kit and get online in record time. If you know your property's had our services before, but the wall socket's been removed, you won't be able to use our self-install option. Instead, you'll need to book an engineer appointment for a one-off cost of £30, even if our ordering process recommends a self-install kit. Now, what if you've ordered a QuickStart kit, but have stumbled across this video and realised that you don't have a wall socket? If so, you'll need to book an engineer visit with us. You can do this by following the link in the text message we sent you after you placed your order, or by calling us on 0345 454 1111. Once your QuickStart kit's in your hands, head on over to our setup video for full instructions on how to get online. Welcome to Virgin Media.